Hi! In front of me is CUBOT X20 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this CUBOT. Start by finding clock and tapping on it. Now you need to select alarm at the top left corner over here and tap on this red plus icon. Finally, you can set up an hour and choose OK. Now click on repeat and select days of the week by tapping on the chosen ones. I want to go with Mondays. So I have to do something like this, and for example Fridays. Now click on the switcher next to vibrate to disable or enable vibrations and tap on label. Label your alarm however you wish to and click OK. Then click on this bell icon over here and pick one of these melodies as your alarm sound by clicking on the chosen one and going back. You can also click on add new and pick music from your device over here. But as you can see, I don't have any, so I have to go back, pick one of those, and go back again. To save your alarm, just click on this icon at the bottom right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully set up. If you want to turn it off completely, you have to click on the switcher next to it. If you want to turn it back on, click on the same one. In order to delete your alarm, click on this icon again, and tap on delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!